Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Temu weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Temu and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.